I am here to review Boxes and Bullets with you. The last time I assigned this, it wasn't totally understood, so I'm going to give you guys just another approach to it, and you're going to practice it today. So we have boxes. The boxes part is the main idea, and the bullets part is the supporting details. So let's look at an example here. Boxes and bullets help organize your thoughts and show your understanding. After watching the video clip, put the main idea in the box. Use the bullets to support your main idea. So let's watch this short clip of Forrest Gump. And let's hope that my internet is fast enough. Yeah, my internet is slow, guys.
Hey, dummy! Are you retarded or just plain stupid? No, I'm Forrest Gump. Just run away, Forrest. Run, Forrest! Run away! Hurry! Get the bag! Hurry up! Let's get it! Come on! Look out, dummy! Here we come! Gonna get you! Run, Forrest! Run! Run, Forrest! Get back here, you! Run, Forrest!
Now, you wouldn't believe it if I told you that I could run like the wind blows. That day on, if I was going somewhere, I was running. That boy sure is a running fool.
Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to put the box is the main idea. So, oops, I'm on the next slide. So our box here, we're going to add a main idea. And to me, I saw him running a lot. So, we can put Forrest. Ran. Alright, and now we have our supporting details. One of them, if we start at the beginning of the clip, he couldn't run at first. So when he could run, that's all he wanted to do. Alright. So he found out that it was something he was good at. So he got away from the bullies. see. I think well, that's another thing we could do when we talk about running. So he ran everywhere. He couldn't run at first, so when he could run, that's all he wanted to do. He was good at running. And running took him a lot of places. So there are our main idea and our 3 supporting details. Now, your assignment is here. You can watch a little video and you might be able to tell what it is right away. But that's your assignment. So get it done and turn it in. Bye.